Howdy everybody. It's the Ross Boss here, and I'm out here for Texas Rivers, and I'm standing in the waters at Guadalupe River over at the north side of Green, Texas. I'm right past the bridge in Green, Texas. You gotta be really careful. The water's so high you can't tell where the stand is and where the drop is. My gosh, is it going pretty fast today. The water is definitely up about 30 cubic feet from where it usually is. The bridge is barely going under. I'm soaking wet, but you know what? It doesn't matter. This is Texas Rivers waters, and we love it. I want to remind everybody to not go in these waters during this time. Next week will be probably a lot better for people to be riding. The North Guadalupe River is done. Do not go riding in it. But next week, when the water levels drop a bit, you can probably ride in the water. But I'll tell you what, this is beautiful fucking weather, beautiful water. This is what we like to see out here in Texas Rivers. This is the kind of stuff you can't kayak, can't do. But I'll tell you what, we're gonna have one hell of a summer out here. I'm the Ross Boss. Make sure you keep tuning into Texas Rivers for all your river updates.
Can you touch it with your hand?